Welcome, dear students. My name is D.N. Sukla from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Dear students, today we are going to talk about tense. Chapter number 7, Simple Tense. Firstly, we will talk about the tense. What is tense? Dear student, there are three types of tense: present tense, past tense, future tense. Tense means time. So we have to learn all these kinds of the tense. In this chapter, we will talk about simple tenses. There are three simple tense: simple present tense, simple past tense, and simple future tense. Simple present tense. We use the simple present tense to say something that is always or generally true. Mean to say, we use simple present tense to represent universal truth. The earth is round, the sun sets in the west, water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius. Next point, to describe something that has been happening for a long period of time and is still continuing. For example, we live in Guwahati. He is a teacher. To refer to something that happens regularly or to something that somebody does habitually, mean to say, to represent a habitual fact, we use simple present tense. A dog barks, he travels a lot. Now next point is simple past tense. Before simple past tense, I would like to tell you that first form of the verb is used in simple present tense. Simple past tense. Second form of the verb, that is called past form, is used in simple past tense. We use the simple past tense to refer to an action that has already been completed in the past. Mean to say, the action which has been done in past, that is expressed in simple past tense. It rained yesterday. She exercised last evening. To express some past habit, for example, my father always played golf on Sunday. As a young man, I often tracked a lot. Now next point is simple future tense. Simple future tense, dear student, in simple future tense, the first form of the verb, that is called root form or base form, is used. We use the simple future tense in order to say what we think or believe will happen in the future. I don't think Sakshi will join the coaching class. I'm sure you will perform well in the match. Shall I and shall we are used to make offers or suggestions. To express suggestions or offer, we can use shall I or shall we. Shall I explain the rules to you? It is a represent offer. It's getting dark. Shall we take a cab? This shows possess suggestion. In order to state what will happen or will be done as a matter of habit or course, for example, during the lunar eclipse, the river will be turbulent. When we decide to do something at the time of speaking, then we use simple future tense. There is a post box over that. I will post these letters. So dear student, this much is about simple present tense, simple past tense, and simple future tense that you have to understand and learn. And about continuous, about other tenses, I will tell you in our next video. Thank you very much for watching this video.